What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. How to make MOGRT files in After Effects. Welcome back to our channel. So let's begin this tutorial by opening your After Effects, add a sample text, resize it the way you want. Now go to Window and choose Essential Graphics. On the Essential Graphics window, change the composition to MOGRT. On the MOGRT window, take the source text and drag it to the Essential Graphics window. Click on Edit Properties and enable all the checkboxes and hit OK. Going back to the MOGRT window, click the Animate and choose Tracking. Drag the tracking amount from MOGRT window to Essential Graphics window. Adjust it the way you want. Go back to MOGRT window again and click the drop down of Effects and drag the number of echoes to Essential Graphics window. Once done, just click on Export Motion Graphics Template, and that's it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.